G2 divided by G1 plus G2, and that is equal to 12 into 1 by 3 plus 20 into 1 by 5 divided by 1 by 3 plus 1 by 5, and that is equal to 8 divided by 0.53 equal to 15 volt. So V is 15 volt. Now we have to find the value of R. R is equal to 1 divided by G1 plus G2, and that is 1 by 0.53 equal to 1.89 ohms. Now we have to draw the Millman's equivalent circuit. So that is resistance and voltage source in series, 15 volt and 1.89 ohms. So this is the Millman's equivalent